Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the H2Option toilet by American Standard. And I'm very pleased with this. First off, as you can see, it's a nice little clean, modern look to it. The bowl itself is an elongated bowl, so it's not that round one, which is an absolutely must in our household. It is also the chair height, so it sits a little bit higher off the ground, so it's more comfortable to sit on, especially if you have any like leg falling asleep issues. Now you'll notice the seat right here I have on it. I do have a Delta DeBay toilet seat on it, so it is not the seat that comes with it, but the seat that does come with it is a soft closing, if you will, and it's also made out of the kind of the porcelain material of it. As far as the tank itself, so it is that H2 option, which means it has the dual flush options at the top, which I absolutely love that feature, and I'll tell you why here. So first off, you're going to have just the couple of bumps. That is for the liquids. The more bumps is for the solids. There's a spring mechanism that's going to just press down on the top. Reason I love that is, one, is it's going to use less water. Obviously, you don't have to use the full flush if you are dealing with liquids. But another thing, if you live in an area where you have like hard water or your toilet gets kind of old, it has a tendency to get that calcium buildup and that rust on those handles. And sometimes those handles, you'll have to jiggle them to get them back in position to close the flapper. With this kind of setup, I don't ever have those kind of issues. I have one of these other toilets. I've had them for over 10 years, and I've never had an issue with like that toilet constantly running, which is an absolutely game changer in my mind. I just think it's really clever design with the top push instead of these handles. Plus, it gives it a nice cleaner look itself. Now, as far as the kind of suction itself, it does have a strong suction. So if you have a lovely spicy meal and you are just going to destroy this toilet, you are good to go. It does it really well with that water coming out and cleaning the rim and then pulling everything out. So you don't have to worry about that kind of double flushing or anything like that. It has a nice pull to it. It's really well balanced as far as the pressure. But overall, it is a really nice toilet, simple, easy to do, very reliable. I love the American Standard brand. So if you are in the market for a new toilet, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.